In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Meta AI app. If you're facing any issue with your app, maybe your app does not open, or it is too slow, or some features are not working, or maybe your app keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix any issue with your Meta AI app, you need first to check your app info page. To do that, just go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings, go to apps. The apps, look for manage apps or all apps. Now from here, first go to for stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Meta AI app, it should be working without any issue. However, if you still face a challenge, then you need to check and see if you're using any VPN. Go ahead and turn it off, as this might be one of the reasons you are facing these issues. However, if this does not fix your problem, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone and see if we have an update. As you can see, I have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Meta AI app. For this case, you need to update your app to the latest version. Once you have updated your app to the latest version, now everything should be okay. However, even after updating your app, if you still encounter a challenge such as your app stopping suddenly each and every time you start it, then most likely your app has been infested with bugs. For that, you need to uninstall your app from your smartphone and install it afresh. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.